Okay, in the last video, I know that all of this stuff was mirror imaged, so it wasn't readable. So here it is again. These are all the reasons, or not all, but a lot of the reasons why the case alleged against my family and I is, in fact, illegal and void. I already talked about the no judge. Um, I think I did. Maybe I didn't. There was no judge ever involved in this case, in any part of it ever. Never. I never stood before a judge. I was never served, summoned, or subpoenaed to a court in front of a judge. Never. Um, that's a big one. That's probably the most important one. But and then there's no cause. There was no charge. I was never charged with anything. Nobody in our family was charged. There was no allegation read. There is just no grounds for this case to have ever even been initiated. See, no victim, no injury. Obviously, there's no grounds, there's no charge, there's no victim, no injury. So I'm not really sure what they thought the case was going to be about. No opposing party. There was no opposing party. It was just my family and I, with people speaking on our behalf who had no consent to do that. Let's see. No testimony. No testimony, no witnesses. And the reason for that is because there was nothing to testify against, and there was no witnesses to witness anything. No crime, no charge, no allegation. So what would they testify or say they were a witness to? So all of these things that are not part of this case are absolutely required for a case to even be initiated. So this is obviously an illegal and void case, but I just don't I don't understand why anybody would take it serious. I really don't.